for years. It's the only repeller that truly works. Thanks, Renex. It saves me money because I don't have to buy all those chemicals.
Things are quiet down for now, but you can also see some embedded thunderstorms there, but they're not nearly as strong as the ones that have just passed through that area. We're going to take a quick break now for a minute or two, but we'll be right back with the latest and damage reports and the latest and warnings. Stay with us.
There's a little something I've done every night since I was a kid. Empty my pocket change into this old jar. It's never much, just what's left after I break $1. And I never thought I could get quality life insurance with my spare change.
Maybe at all. Until I saw a commercial for colonial pins.
Imagine people our age getting life insurance at such an affordable rate.
It's true. If you're 50 to 85, you can get guaranteed acceptance life insurance for Colonial Penn for about 25 cents a day, just $7.95 a month per unit. There's no medical exam and no
Severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings continue until 9:30 for a portion of Grundy, Kendall, and Will County. And severe thunderstorm warning until 9:30 also for Lake and Porter County. So if you're not under one of those tornado warnings, you're most likely under a severe thunderstorm warning anywhere to the east of Interstate 294, even along 294 in Cook County as well as in Will County. Some of the latest damage reports again we mentioned in Morris. Also roads closed in Carpentersville because of flooding in Huntley roads and Route 31. The incredible amounts of rain we're seeing to about 2 inches of rain have fallen in some areas, resulting in road closings because of flooding, and this is coming into us from Carpentersville as well as, so not only are we dealing with the winds and the incredible lightning out there, we're also dealing with some flooding because of the extreme amounts of rain. We're going to take a quick break. We'll be back in 2 minutes. Stay with us. You're up to date with the latest here on CLTV.
Why are people who work in information technology so well paid? Because they run the computers that keep businesses running. If you want to work in the IT industry, train at Westwood College in computer networking or information system security. You can prepare for at Westwood. You'll get hands-on training from instructors who have worked in the field. If you're thinking about a new career, it might make sense to check out this one.
Call 1-800-565-2472. That's 1-800-565-2472. Call now.
Hi, I'm Heather, and I hope that last commercial inspired you to call this number and ask for an informational brochure on career training. If you are thinking about a new career, I'll bet you have some questions, and our brochure will give you some answers. We'll take your call 24 hours a day, all night, and weekends too. So what are you waiting for? Right now is a great time to call.
For a free brochure, call